We have reached chapter 5 of our course about fundamental cryptography in theory and Python, and with this reached the second to last chapter, which is dedicated to the classic cryptography security goal of non-repudiation. As a recap, the four classic security goals of cryptography are confidentiality, integrity, authenticity, and non-repudiation. And non-repudiation, as a classic security goal of cryptography, demands that within a system providing non-repudiation, the source of information can now not only be verified by a receiving party, as it was the case with authenticity, but that the source of information can now be verified by any third party. I again now suggest you to pause the video and to briefly think about how the security goal of non-repudiation relates to the security goal of authenticity. The relationship of non-repudiation with authenticity is that every system providing non-repudiation is a system that also provides authenticity that can be used to verify that the source of information is a specific sender S. However, non-repudiation is a stronger notion than authenticity, as with non-repudiation, it's not only the recipient of the data within a certain session of communication that can verify the source of the information, but that this source of information can now be verified by any third party. Explained again on an example using English language, an authenticity statement reads along the lines, observed by entity E, information X has state H. Non-repudiation now allows to turn this statement into a statement provable to any third party, and the example non-repudiation statement would then read along the lines as provably observed by entity E, information X has state H.